My name is Jacob Kirchen. I'm an International Sales Specialist here at High Test Technology. Today we're going to be going over the CIBRE-L series for a 3-contact circuit breaker timer. Now, after this demonstration, you will completely understand to use the tests and go through the settings of this device. To tell you a little bit about the front panel, this is our power connector, our ground connector, charging light LED, so it tells you when it is charging, our fuses, coil output, power button, which doubles as a back button, our 4.4-inch touchscreen, external trigger, contacts for 1, 2, and 3, and our USB to connect to the device, as well as our printer that comes standard on all of our devices. Here, as you can see, is our ground connector, our power cord, our initiate cord, as well as its extension, our external trigger and its extension, our testing cables, our USB device that comes standard that includes our DMP software, our brochures and user manual, our USB connection so you can plug into your PC and use our DMP software, and our thermal printing paper. To conduct a time breaker test, please select time breaker, and from here you can set the time window from either 1 second, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Here we have the trigger. We can either set it to internal or external. External is dependent upon if you have an external trigger system set up with the CIBRE-L. However, because we do not, we're going to set it to internal. And for the timing mode, we have open, close, and close open. For both open, close, and close open, you're going to have a close open or open close delay timing. Here we set it to 200 milliseconds. However, we can set it to anything we want here. However, because of the setup we have for our demonstration today, we're going to be doing a demonstration of an open test. Once your settings are done here, we are going to test our device. After we are done testing, we can see the results for channel 1, 2, and 3. The delta here indicates the maximum difference between all of the channels. So here, for example, it was 0.78 milliseconds. We can see the bounce between all the channels. And here is our graph that indicates the difference in time for each channel. Once you are done with that, you can print here. And if you choose to click the selected option, what will be presented? So we will receive the test results that we just spoke about, as well as the graph. Perfect. So as we can see here, we have the graph results as well as the test results. Once we are done with that, we can hit save. Enter in the same information as you can with all of our devices, and you're done. Click save here, and that's it. Continuing onward, we're going to go over our test records. Here we can see the number of tests that we've performed and which ones we saved. Here we can see the test information we inputted earlier. And here's the same results that were also tested as earlier, with the channel 1, 2, and 3, the delta indicating the time in between all the channels, which is 0.78 milliseconds, the bounce, which is 0 in this circumstance, and the graph. Again, if you would like to print, you can select here to print, but if not, that's it.